In this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge using command prompt. This method requires you to boot into safe mode, so I'm not going to boot into safe mode, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Press the Windows logo key plus I to open your Settings app. In the Settings app, go to Update and Security, and then Recovery. Under the Advanced Startup section, click on Restart Now. Your PC will reboot to an option screen. After your PC restarts, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and then click Restart. Once it restarts again, press F4 to boot into safe mode. After that, press the Windows key, type command prompt in the search bar and right-click on it to run it as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command to list all Microsoft Edge related folders, which is C Program Files Microsoft/Edge. Make sure to include the quotation marks. This command lists all folders related to Microsoft Edge. To remove Microsoft Edge, use the rmdir command followed by the /s and the /q to run in quiet mode without asking for confirmation or flags. Replace Edge in the command with the actual folder names you found in the previous step, like rmdir/s/q c program files Microsoft/Edge. Repeat this command for each Microsoft Edge related folder you wish to remove. Try this and Edge will be removed from your computer. If it did not, there is a video in the link description that shows you another method on how to do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.